Yeah, I just want to make this video. This car is a PGO Speedster 2. Um, don't get confused with the Opel Speedster. This car is a replica of the Porsche 356. It's made in France and it's selling only in in Europe. So we don't see that car in the US. But as you can see, this is a retro style from the Porsche 356. And it has a rear engine just like an old 356. It's got 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which is from PGO. 5-speed manual, 4-speed automatic, optional. And the max speed is 125 miles per hour. 0 to 60 in less than 7 seconds, and 140 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. 17-inch alloys, and it weighs 2,116 pounds. That's 2,160 pounds. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me though. Yeah, and PGO is a company in France, so it is a private automaker. On the inside, we have everything leather, leather seats, trim panels, and on the dash too. It also has air conditioning, CD MP3, electric mirrors, and sports steering wheel. Full dash instrumentation, and this one is old style technometer and speedometer. I'm sorry. It also has a start button there, so if you push it, then you're starting the engine. So yeah, this is a retro style PGO Speedster 2. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next video.